Walking through the Faroe Islands. Drone view of the Faroe Islands. Misty mountains, rolling green cliffs, and the endless Atlantic Ocean. Gentle footsteps and the sound of the wind accompany the narration. Walking through the Faroe Islands feels like stepping into a world untouched by time, where every corner reveals a new kind of beauty. Múlafossur Waterfall in Gásadalur. Camera follows footsteps along the grassy path as water cascades dramatically into the ocean. Here, in Gásadalur, the iconic Múlafossur Waterfall takes my breath away. The water plunges gracefully into the sea below, framed by towering cliffs and quiet valleys. I pause, simply to admire nature's artistry, raw and unspoiled. Saksun, with turf-roof houses nestled against mountains, a lagoon reflecting the sky. A little further, the fairytale village of Saksun welcomes me with its timeless charm. The black wooden cottages with green grass roofs look like something from a storybook. The stillness here is almost sacred. The mountains stand like guardians, and the lagoon mirrors the clouds drifting above. Gjógv, showing colorful houses, a natural harbor, and the sound of waves rushing through the gorge. In Gjógv, the natural harbor carved by the sea tells tales of generations of fishermen. The village is small, but its beauty is boundless. Every path leads to another postcard-perfect view. Dove on sea cliffs, wings flapping, some perched on the grassy edge. Camera pans to hiking trails, overlooking dramatic coastlines. Along the cliffs, doves waddle and soar, adding life and color to the rugged landscape. Hiking these trails, every step offers a new panorama, the horizon stretching endlessly, the sea crashing against stone walls carved by time. Evening scene. Locals gathered at a cozy Faroese restaurant. Traditional dishes being served: fish, lamb, and skirpikjet drying in the wind outside. And after the day's journey, I find warmth in Faroese hospitality. Traditional meals, prepared with care, bring both comfort and connection. The flavors are as rich and authentic as the landscapes themselves. Sunset over the islands, waves glowing orange in the fading light. Slow footsteps fade into silence. The Faroe Islands are more than a destination. They are an experience of wonder, of simplicity, of beauty beyond words. Walking here, I carry with me not just memories, but a deep sense of peace.